So I replaced the NSVU pass-through connector on the transmission for this truck, and also checked the TCM, and it was okay. And I checked the wiring harness; it was also okay. So I got a neutral transmission position switch. So I'll put that in and change the filters, internal and exterior, and see if that fixes the transmission problems. Because the inner filter was a bit dirty. And also got engine oil and engine filter. Got 3 containers of ATF. It's Dextron, and it has like Dextron 4 or something. It's got an VI, Dextron VI. That's the type of transmission fluid you want. Something that says that. And I got 5, 10, 15 liters because I'm dropping the transmission solenoid thing up inside of it. And the engine oil, I got 5 W40 SAE. And this is just the Canadian Tire brand Moto Master, but it's developed with Shell technology, it says. I got the cheapest of training fluid and engine oil fluid because I got quite a few vehicles, and it's got the same specifications. Then it's good enough for the specs it's got on it. It's good enough for the vehicle. Pretty much the same fluid. So yeah, because this stuff's pretty black in here too. So we'll take that switch off and put it in. Got a new gasket for the transmission filter as well. It's leaking a bit at the back there by the looks of it, so put that in also. Got everything at the dealership. Bit more convenient, and some of the parts are better priced through the dealer rather than online, Amazon and stuff like that.